Hello. How are you today? Did you sleep well? Did you eat well? Did you take care of yourself? I'm asking because I want you to take me seriously as being your trainer. And as your trainer, I want to know how are you really and if there's anything I can do for you. Let me know, find a way. There are comments, there are messages, there's social media. I know how annoying it can be to follow YouTube workouts. That's why many people don't do it, because you cannot follow what the person is doing. You get lost, you don't know which leg, arm, finger, heel, toe you need to move. So that's why I'm here. I want us to start slow, also for me. I finally and again decided to take this seriously, and then also for me doing a small step, recording a shorter video, is going in the right direction without overwhelming myself. So today, dear people, we will do yoga, but not whole class. Why? No, we need just a few minutes. I will teach you, those movements in the beginning at the yoga, they're called sun salutations. I will teach you the movements so you understand them, and then as we build the rest of the class, and once I start doing whole yoga classes, by the way, I will do the same with Pilates, you will not be lost, you will be able to progress, and then also you will slowly add more minutes into your practice, starting small and progressively adding on top, because I want you to take this as something good you're doing for yourself, learning something new, and also changing your habits and finding slowly more time for yourself, because I believe it's more important than ever. First, I want you to still warm up a bit your wrists and joints, just to be sure, on the safe side. That's always better. So, this is not whole yoga class. We are not doing everything, and I don't want my teachers who taught me well everything think, Jasna, what are you doing? I'm doing my own thing right now. Yoga gods, don't get mad. This is something else. Okay, people. First, I want you to be on your all fours. Keep your arms nice and strong. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one line. Head is always in line with your spine. This is not it. And then here you'll just slowly circle to warm up your wrists. And then switch direction. Okay, good. Then push your body slightly forward and back, release the tension. And forward and back. One more. Then move your hands inside to each other and move slightly left, right, and then turn your palms towards yourself. I don't want you to ever feel discomfort in your joints while we're exercising. Discomfort in your muscles and mental discomfort we cannot avoid if we want mental and physical results. But if something feels weird where it should not, let me know. Find a way, send me a letter. Okay, then here we will just extend one leg, fully extend, and then bend. Extend here, tighten your upper leg muscles and relax all the way down. One more. Okay, other side. Flex and relax. So we are flexing the muscle but extending the leg. Sorry for the confusion, but this is still quite simple what we're doing. Okay, good. Then come on your toes. Engage your core, lift your knees slightly up and bring your hips up to your first downward facing dog. So here is important to spread your fingers, to hold your weight, to move shoulders away from your ears, and to elongate your spine. So I want you to have straight line in your spine. Knees can be bent. If you cannot fully extend to keep that spine position, bend your knees, but keep the spine elongated. Then from here, we will slowly walk our feet to our hands. Keep your head hanging. Slightly bend your knees and slowly lift your head up. I don't want you to get dizzy. Okay, so we are starting now. I want you to be on the top of your mat with feet close to each other or just tiny bit apart. I want you to spread your body weight evenly across both feet on 3 dots, toe, tiny one, thumb, is it that also thumb? And your heel. Same thing on the other side, and same thing when you do lifting weights, squats, and so on. Other topic. Okay, then I want you to engage your leg muscles, tuck your hips in, core is tight. You know, if someone would punch you, you would not feel it at all because you're strong. Shoulders away from your ears. This is our Samastiti pose, asana. We will inhale, reach arms towards the ceiling. With exhalation from your hips, you will bend or do the forward fold or Uttanasana. And then from here, we want flat back with inhalation. Flat back means flat back. To achieve this, if you cannot keep the hands down, you just put them higher on your legs, especially if you have or had back injury. If you have back injury, I don't think you should still be here, but consult with someone, please. So this is Ardha Uttanasana. Okay, then from here, with exhalation, we move to plank, but we don't stay here. Okay, we are going to Chaturanga. Chaturanga full version is this to upward, but first I want you to put your knees down, keep your elbows tucked and close to your body, and bring your chest down. If that's also hard, if the way you do it is this, I don't want you to do it, okay? Then we have other version. We can use this pose. I hope my microphone is not now in trouble. So you put your chin down, chest, and keep your butt up, okay? Tuck your elbows. And then you put your booty down, bring your chest up, and come to upward facing dog. Okay, one more. When we are coming from Ardha Uttanasana to Chaturanga, we are in plank, putting knees, the easiest version, chest and chin down, elbows close onto your body, and then sliding through to upward facing dog. Here I want your feet not too wide, so imagine if there's a third foot in between your 2 feet. Bit weird, I know, but that's how it's explained. Like your teacher's foot, like my foot, not some weird person foot. Okay, same thing. Shoulders away from your ears. Let your head hang to your chest. Your belly button is up. And then you just hold this and enjoy and breathe. In sun salutation, we stay for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale, all through your nose. Since I was talking already a lot, we did those 5. You maybe even did 10 and now you're already annoyed. Sorry for that. After, you look to the front and bring your feet between your hands. Then we will again elongate, flat back. And with exhalation again, fold forward, touch the ground if you can. If not, if you're not flexible, that's fine. All I want here is proper position in your back. And then again, slowly bring your upper body up and exhale to Samasthiti. So that was sun salutation A. Let's go again, a bit faster. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold from your hips. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana or the flat back. Remember, place your hands where it feels good for you. With exhalation, we are going to plank. We're just passing by plank. We're not staying there. And then we go down to easier version of chaturanga to upward facing dog. And then we are bringing our hips up to downward facing dog. 5 breaths. Push those hips towards the ceiling. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Look to the front. Jump or bring your feet slowly between your hands. Inhale, elongate your spine, look to the front. Again, this is Ardha Uttanasana. Then forward fold or Uttanasana. You don't have to remember all those names now. And then again, with the inhalation, come up. Okay, we will do it one more time. Next time we will do sun salutation B. Don't want to overwhelm you if you've never done it. If you're a yoga pro, why are you still here? Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, elongate your spine, look to the front. Exhale, chaturanga, your own version. Inhale to upward facing dog. Knees are off the ground, feet are flat. And exhale to downward facing dog. Breathe. Look to the front, jump forward or bring slowly your feet in between your hands. Inhale, elongate your spine, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, and inhale, slowly come up. And that's your sun salutation A. If you are beginner, I'm happy that you're here. Please be kind to yourself. I know that even this can already be challenging, and that even the easiest version of chaturanga that we use from Hatha Yoga, where you put your knees down and chest and chin, you still don't make it to keep your elbows closed. You try to wiggle it up because your arms are not strong enough. That's okay. In that case, you don't have to do it, okay? You go from plank straight to downward dog, and if it's hard, like really hard, you don't have to hold it for 5 breaths as we do. Go back to Samasthiti, the standing pose, and wait for us, for me. And if you do it regularly with other exercises that I will talk about here as Pilates, mat Pilates, so you don't need any equipment, and strength training, you will get stronger, and so you will be able to chaturanga, to upward facing dog, to downward, which is Vinyasa flow, which we'll be doing the full video. And yeah, thank you for being here. If you have any questions, if you like this slow explanations that we will build to full class, please like, subscribe, share, and please take care of yourself. I do care about you. Maybe I don't know you in person, but I do care about you. We are not that different, you know, and I care about myself, and I know how life can be challenging, and we have to be here for each other. So even if I don't know you in person, I do care, and you should also care about yourself. Again, thank you for being here. Namaste, and see you next time. Bye bye. Lots of love.